don't care much for the Let's Brag convention. We've all given them our best finger on every occasion. All alone, kicked out, or just nowhere else to go. So again tonight we'll hang out and find and play 8-ball. And if you don't like us, don't fight us, we'll just keep coming back. Go ahead, get mad. We're not thieves, so call the police. We're just young, ready, willing, able, and probably the best that you've ever had. We don't need to prove ourselves against those lopsided egos with Friday nights fighting in the streets just below our windows. Yes, we have plans. Tonight we're gonna call our connections, and then we'll all meet on the top floor to plan the next insurrection. And if you don't like us, don't fight us, we'll just keep coming back. Yeah, go ahead, get mad. We're not thieves and we're not the police. We're young, ready, willing, able, and probably the best they'd ever have. We don't take the walls with illegible, pointless conversations. We'd rather stay up to our hours, destroying our inhibitions. Kicked out, all alone, or just nowhere else to go. So again tonight we'll hang out to find and play 8-ball. So go ahead and blame us for all your sorrows and petty job stress. If we leave, you'll have no scapegoats for the real mess. And if you think we'll disappear from your bullying and silly put-downs, just remember who gets blamed when the elevator breaks down. For the Let's Brag convention, we've all given them our best finger on every occasion. All alone, kicked out, or just nowhere else to go. So again tonight we'll hang out to find a